Hey people, YouTube, how's it going? Today I'm going to do What's Inside My Jacket Part 3. What? What happened? Oh man. Wait, just a second, I'll be right back. I can take pictures and video at the same time? I did not know that. Anyway, let's start. Wait. Anointing oil. Before I do anything else, I'm going to anoint myself. Okay. Let's see what else. My iPod. Pencil sharpener. A plug-in. My daddy's business card. Yeah, my daddy was best. Yeah, he had his own business too. Yeah, it was called Miyagi Polishing Shop. It was um, it's like a big truck thing, where he fixes big trucks and boats and stuff like that. And let's see, what's this? Oh yeah, a bowling card. Something like a credit card. I don't know why I got that. What's this? Hey, have y'all ever been in Tiny Town? I remember going there. I guess I can officially say I got my own driver's license. I wish I had my own driver's license though. I'm 15 at the moment. Yeah. Rubber band ball. I'm trying to make it bigger though. I got some rubber bands over here on my table, but they're too big for it right now. Let's see. I got some headphones. Let's see. Another plug-in. A bouncy ball. What's this? What's coming? Oh, a light. It's fully working too. Got a lot of stuff. And it's only one pocket. An eraser, blue and pink. Let's see what's coming up next. Nail clippers. I can't think of what they were called. A bigger pair of nail clippers. Why did I put two in there? And the rock. I guess Patrick Star can live in my jacket too, if you know what I mean. I got a cross. See, so I can fit the screen. It's a blue cross. Oh, almost dropped it. Yeah. Let's see what is this in here? Ruler. Another ruler. I like this one better because it can bend. It's coming up next. What's this? What is this? The airplane I made. Okay then. A charger. Wait a second. Another pair of headphones. What's this? Some cologne. Yeah. Now I smell good. What is this? Yeah, my water bottle. Yeah. It's cracked right here. I don't know how it got cracked either. I think that's all. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.